to filters. We have already messed with this whole area. And in this part, as you can see, like there's a filter, the main is a cutoff. The cutoff is basically, if you look at the spectrum here, see what happens. Like we are losing our higher frequencies. And then you have the resonance. Right, so like there's like a bump or at the end point where the cutoff is, and in this there's like this modes, right? And in that there's a low pass, and then there's a band pass, there's like high pass, and there's like notch. So let's go with the low pass. And in before that I was going to talk about this pole. There's like 2 and 4. What's happening is in that 2 and 4 is how I can explain you as, let me get a EQ. And now imagine like we are at a high pass. Okay, let's go for this. On this I have like turned to the high pass, and what's going to happen is in this high pass, like we are cutting here, and like there's like this happen, right? But it's like it says 2 and 4, right? So basically what's happening is this thing, if like it's a 2, it will be something like that. When it will be like 4, it will be something like that. So basically, the where it's cutting, it's gotten is sharper, right? So let me delete this, and let's get back to our sound. Right, so now I'm at the high pass, right? That's why when I'm like going like this, I can only hear the higher sounds, but like not the lower sounds, because I'm cutting from the the low to high. Let's get back to our high to low. Now it's like opposite, which you usually find in all other basically all synthesizers. And this band pass is basically like there's like at a certain band it's happening. Look at the spectrum what's happening. And now if I increase the resonance, it will be even more. At this moment, just look at the frequency spectrum. Right now it's 4, okay? That means like I'm cutting more, like aggressively. So if I turn on the second, look at the waveform what's happening, and listen to the sound. As you can hear it, like there's like now more frequencies are coming through. Right?